Hey guys, Gadgets Portal plays back, and today I'm going to present you 5 very beautiful launchers for your Android smartphone. You can check the description below for the name and the timeline of these launchers in this video, and a next button will also show up on the screen which you can click to skip any launcher. Now the first launcher I'm going to show you is called Buzz Launcher, and the skin I'm using is the default skin you get with this launcher. It's very simple and you can also resize this. There are a lot of customizations and a lot of gestures you can apply here. Let me show you a few of those. You can just swipe up to get the apps menu, and you can swipe down to get the notification center. Now, as you have seen, I have downloaded lots of skins or home packs on this browser and added them to the default one. This one looks quite cool and resembles Windows Phone 8. In fact, a better version of that. Some of these are active widgets and some are just icons. You can also put folders here. For example, this one is basically a games folder. The next home pack I have added here looks quite simple and very beautiful. You can download these applications placed here. For example, this is basically a boat browser. You can also remove or replace them with the applications you use. The next home pack, as you can see, looks very unique. You are getting these flat icons and you can resize these. You can also place widgets just like this. The next one looks very modern, very elegant, and there is some 3D effect as well. Now another very interesting part is there is a night mode here. This will diminish the backlight and also lower the color saturation so that your eyes don't hurt at night. You can use this feature before going to sleep. This one is for WhatsApp. Now the next one I'm going to show you is another very unique skin. All the objects on the floor are basically active icons and you can just click on them to launch. Now the clock here is basically a widget and you can customize this as you wish. This one, as you can see, looks like Windows XP, and the start menu is basically the apps menu. The clock widget here is also customizable in a lot of ways. The next one does look like iOS, so in this way you can have a taste of iOS skin on your Android smartphone. Each and every icon is replaced with iOS icons, so this looks quite real. The next one looks quite sophisticated and I think the hardcore gamers will love this. So this is the Buzz Launcher, and I've shown you only my favorite skins out of hundreds of home packs or skins you can download. Just go to the apps menu and click on this icon. All of these are free, and in this way you can customize your phone as you wish. The launcher I'm going to show you now is very high-end and true 3D launcher. It's Next Launcher 3D, and this eats up lots of RAM. You will need high-performing CPU, GPU, etc. on your smartphone to run this very effectively. Each and everything on this launcher is in 3D and feels very sophisticated, very complex. You can change the transition effects on the screen, and you can also flip the widgets here and add your contacts. The clock widget here is also quite nice. Now you can apply lots of gestures and customize this phone in a lot of ways. For example, swiping up will give you a preview of the home panels, and swiping again will give you these options. Under the personality settings, you will get this icon editor, that is, you can change the size, the look of the icons on this launcher. The icon cover is also customizable. Here on this apps menu, swiping down will give this type of interface for adding applications to the home screen, and you can also hide certain sensitive applications from your friends. Pressing and holding on any icon will give you this type of options. The widget here is also nicely customizable. You can just drag and place your frequently used settings here. The music widget here is also very cool. Now let me show you some cool gestures. If I rotate anti-clockwise with 2 fingers, I can clear the memory, that is RAM, and rotating clockwise will lock the phone. These gestures are completely customizable, that is, you can put any action here. Let me show you how can you do this. Just double tap on the screen and you can go to the settings or the preferences, and here you will get the complete gesture settings. Now guys, there is a 3D scene mode, and this needs very high performance devices to run smoothly. Here in this mode there will be only one home panel and all the home panels will revolve in 3D. This looks really cool, and you can also rotate the base. You can swipe up and you will get these options here. So this next launcher 3D is a must try launcher. The apps menu is also in 3D. Well guys, the launcher I'm going to show you now is called Doodle Launcher, and as you can see, this looks quite beautiful and also very simple. There are a lot of customizations you can do here. This widget is very helpful. You are getting all the toggle switches and also settings for the sound. You can change the look of this interface. For example, you can change the icons, and you can also download and apply lots of themes. I have downloaded this and let me show you one by one. This one looks quite cute. You can download different type of icon packs. There is a special store I have downloaded called Beauty Play, where you can find themes, wallpapers, live wallpapers, and also stickers, etc. Let me show you the themes you can download and apply to this Doodle launcher. There are some gestures you can apply as well. Now before I go to the next launcher, I want to show you the SEO launcher, which is basically a launcher within a launcher. You can just swipe from here and you will get these icons. This will come anywhere, anytime, and also on any launcher. This option shows the RAM and the storage info, and you can also place your favorite applications here. You can also add any application from the apps list. This is basically the contacts menu, and this is the messages. It's for the maps, and this is the complete applications list. If you are left-handed, you can also swipe from here. So this SEO launcher is quite handy, and you can download this and get this anywhere, anytime. From the settings or options, you can change the swipe area. The launcher I'm going to show you now is called Solo Launcher, and it's highly popular on the Play Store. The specialty is it's very simple and full of gestures. You can apply 10 gestures and create 16 folders. The shape of the icons, themes, fonts, each and everything on this launcher is highly customizable. You can just swipe up to get the apps menu, and swiping down will bring you the app switcher. Pinching in on the home screen will give you a preview of the home panels, and pinching out will bring search, that is Google Now. Rotating counterclockwise with 2 fingers will call any specific person, and you can also customize this and set any other action for this. I have set Facebook for rotating clockwise. So these are some shorthand gestures or tricks you can apply, and you will find a lot more on this solo gesture settings. There are some solo shortcut apps you will find on the home screen. For example, from the solo actions, you can perform some specific task. Solo Play contains the themes, fonts, wallpapers, etc. You can also change the lock screen. These are the fonts you can download for this solo launcher. Let me quickly show you some themes as well. Quick Open basically contains the toggle switches of your frequently used settings. Well guys, that's all for now. I will upload another video next week showing you something different for your Android device, so make sure you subscribe and keep in touch. You can check the description below for previously uploaded videos, and you can also check my review channel at youtube.com/gadgetsportal. So thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.